Hi there, how are you today? Welcome to our new tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to create an API key on Binance. You are ready? So let's go. First, log into your account on Binance. Then, click on API Management from the drop-down list in your User Center. After accessing the API Management page, set an API key, that is to say, the API name, and click on Create API. But be careful. Before creating the API, you must bind the two-factor authentication. Click on Get Code. Enter your email verification code, your phone verification code, and your Google verification code. Then, click on Submit to create an API key. And you're done. You will then receive an automated message from Binance in order to confirm the creation of your API key. Remember to store your secret key in a safe place. Watch out, it will no longer be displayed. For security reasons, do not ever share this key with anyone. If you forget the secret key, you will have to delete the API, and then, to recreate a new one. That's it, we are done. Easy, isn't it? For more information on API, please refer to the link below. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you want, please, feel free to comment on it, or to share it with your friends. If you liked it, click on the little thumb below this video. You can also subscribe to our channel to be notified as soon as a new tutorial is released. See you soon on our YouTube channel.